Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to improve print quality on a Brother MFC J6530DW. Now this is nice and simple. We're done from the printer itself using some built-in cleaning cycles and the touchscreen you can see here. First of all, we need to be on the home screen of the printer. So if your screen doesn't already look like this, just press the home button over here to be taken here. Now, once you're on the screen, you need to go into settings, which you do by pressing this button here, which is represented by a spanner and screwdriver icon. Press to go into there. Then we need to go into maintenance, which is the option just up here. And then the second option down is printhead cleaning, which is what we need. Now, to save ink, you've got the option here to clean the black portion of the printer's printhead, or the three colors, or even all, as you can see, that third option. I've got the most severe issue with color. And once we're in there, we've got normal, strong, and strongest. And whilst you may be tempted to just go to strongest and get the most thorough clean you can, when your printer cleans with these methods, it pushes ink physically through the printer's printhead, and the stronger the clean, the more ink it will use. So do be aware that if you go for that strongest clean, you're going to be using up more ink. I'm just going to go for normal, and then we press start to begin cleaning. Now this will take your printer just a minute. And after it's complete, your printer will offer to check the results of the clean by printing a nozzle check pattern. I would recommend doing this as it breaks down the four colours used by your printer so you can see the results of your clean. And if needs be, you can carry on doing cleaning cycles and test pages until you're perfectly happy with the quality of your print. So I'm going to get on with that now. Be sure to check out our separate video on the print quality test page if you're interested. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If this has been useful, please let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments, and I'll see you in the next one.